If you're experiencing account sync issues in Rocket League, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem and get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing outages or maintenance that could be affected account sync. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart. This can help refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify account linking. Go to the Rocket League website and log into your account. Check that your gaming platform account like PlayStation, Xbox, or Steam is properly linked to your Rocket League account. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC, you can clear the cache by deleting temporary files. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Rocket League support for assistance. Provide them with details about your problem, including any error messages you may have received. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues and enjoy playing Rocket League without interruptions.